In math today, we will continue to subtract. So let's go over our DLO, our math vocabulary, and then we'll do some problems together. So make sure you have your dry erase marker, board, or sheet, and your eraser. So let's get started. Today I will find the difference of two numbers. Now it's your turn. Today I will find the difference of two numbers. I underlined difference because that vocabulary word tells us that we're going to be subtracting. So let's go over our subtraction vocabulary. We'll find difference, and that's how we know what operation we'll be using and the different strategies we'll be using for taking away. So my operation is minus. When we have minus, we take away. When we take away, our number is getting less. It's going down, not as many. So our operation is minus. That's the word minus. When we minus, we take away. When we take away, we're getting less. When you subtract, I forgot to put subtract. Subtract. We'll find the difference. So sometimes it'll say how many are left. How many are there now? That's what it means. Then we find the difference. So I'll put a little equal sign here. Equal is the difference because when we're equaling with addition, it's called the sum. What's the sum? How many are there? Now we're finding what's the difference? How many are left? So now we can go over, say, operation, minus. Here's the word minus. When we minus, we take away. When we take away, we're getting less. When we're getting less, it means that we're subtracting, and we want to find out how many are left. It's called the difference. So in our DLO today, I will find the difference of two numbers. That means we're going to use subtraction and take away. Erase. All right, so let's get started. So listen to, sorry, the sun is not working with me. Listen to my story, and I want you to draw the picture on your mat. So listen to the story the first time, and then I'll repeat it, and then we'll draw it. There are 5 cubes. 3 are taken away. How many cubes are left? So we need to figure out what we know. How many cubes are there at the beginning? 5. So let's draw 5 cubes. That would be like squares. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 cubes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 3 are taken away. We're taking away 3. When we take away from the end. So count with me. We're taking 3 away. 1, 2, 3. How many cubes are left? So I'm going to circle how many are left. How many are left? 1, 2. Now we're going to write an equation. When we write our equation, we start. The first number is how many we began with. How many did we start with at the beginning? I'll read the story again. There are 5 cubes. How many did we start with? 5. So let's write 5. 3 are taken away. If they're taken away, they're gone. We don't need them anymore. So we took 3 away. When we take away, what's our operation? Minus. How many did we take away? 1, 2, 3. So I had 5. We took away 3. How many are left? So now we can find how many are the total at the very end. We had 5. We took away 3. How many are left? What's our difference? 1, 2, 2. All right, let's read our equation. 5 minus 3 equals 2. We started with 5, we took 3 away. How many are left? 2. Good. Erase, erase, erase. Next story. All right, we'll keep using cubes for now. There are 6 cubes, 4 left. How many cubes are there? So we have to listen to the story and figure out what we know. How many did we start with? There are 6 cubes. How many cubes? 6. Let's draw them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And don't forget, you can pause if you need to pause it and to slow down to draw. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 cubes. 4 are taken away. So when we take away, we're subtracting, and we'll start at the end to take away 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many cubes are left? And then let's put a little rectangle or circle around the ones that are still there. 2. Now we can write our equation. How many cubes did we start with? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 4 cubes were taken away. If they're taken away, they're gone. We don't need them. Taken away, our operation is minus. And we took 4 away. How many cubes are left? How many are there? 1, 2. So let's read our equation. 6 minus 4 equals 2. We started with 6. We took away 4. How many remained? 2. Well, let's erase. So in your workbook today, you need to listen to the story and draw the pictures. All right. Let's do cookies this time because I want to draw some circles. There are, I don't want to use that one. I'll use a different one. I'm going to use those numbers. Okay. There are 9 cookies. I gave 5 of them to my dog. How many cookies are left? So what do we know? How many cookies did I start with? 9. So let's draw 9 cookies. And it doesn't matter if you do 9 all the way across or if you do 2 rows. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I had 9 cookies. I gave 5 to my dog. So I gave them away. I don't have them anymore. So we're subtracting and we'll take away from the end. I gave away 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many cookies are left? 1, 2, 3, 4. I have 4 cookies left. Let's write an equation. How many cookies did we start with? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Make a loop and then a line. That's the way you make a 9. I took away 5. Take away. When we take away, what's our operation? Minus. I had 9. I took away 5. Short neck, belly fat. Mr. 5 wears a hat. How many cookies are left? How many do I have now? 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, let's read our equation. 9 minus 5 equals 4. I started with 9. I gave 5 away to the dog. How many do I have left? 4. Good. Let's do one more. All right. Da, da, da. That's a good one. I have 8 cookies. I gave 2 to my friend. How many cookies do I have left? What do we know? How many cookies did I start with? 8. So let's draw 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I gave 2 cookies away. If I gave them away, I'm going to start at the end and cross them out. 1, 2. How many cookies are left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now I need to write my equation. How many cookies did I start with? 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Make an S and close the gate. That's the way you make an 8. I don't think you could see me, so let me try that again. Make an S. Oh, it's really hard to do that on the video. Oh, here we go. Close the gate. I'll get better. That's the way you make an 8. I gave the dog 2, so we crossed out 2 minus 2 equals how many cookies are left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Make a loop until it sticks. That's the way you make a 6. Okay, so let's read our equation. 8 minus 2 equals 6. I started with 8 cookies. I gave 2 away to the dog, so we're subtracting. So then I have 6 left. That is my difference. So now it will be your turn to listen to the stories in your book, draw the pictures, and write your equations. In the book today, nope, that's it. Okay, now it's your turn.